Hiya, my name's Paulie, and today I'm going to repair a guitar that a friend of mine gave to me. Quite an interesting instrument actually. Made in about 1977. It's an Ibanez and it's a neck through, which I didn't think Ibanez made neck throughs all the way back then, but apparently they did. I'll show you the headstock. It's actually called a Musician. And as you can see, the neck wood runs all the way through. It's like a veneer. And yeah, it's a pretty cool looking guitar, I reckon. A couple of what looks like humbuckers in there. Anyway, the problem we're having is you can't get anything out of it except a hum. So I'll plug it in. Needs a bit of work by the sounds of this. It's kind of there. That's interesting. Volume, tone. Volume and tone. It appears to work. Rightio, well, we need to clean up that switch. I'm not 100% sure that that's as good as it should be, considering the output that I'm getting out of it. So let's unplug it and spin it over and have a look. Just be gentle with it. Where's that? Chrome covers and everything on everything. These are actually made out of steel, believe it or not. The thing weighs a ton. He's getting me to fix it so he can give it to his brother. This one off as well. Put those two screws aside because we don't want to mix them up. There's one. It's hard to get off. There we go. Okay, we'll get the trusty multimeter out and put it onto continuity, and we'll just check out the earth first. So I'll tap onto the earth or the ground there. Don't seem to be getting anything here. What's going on? Okay, we'll try from here. a lot of scum and corrosion build up on the pot covers. Okay, looks like our problem's with the switch over here. There's no grounding to it. Normally the strings are grounded, but they mightn't be on this model. Okay, well now we'll check out the hot wire, the one that's if we flick it down. Yep. It's one of our tone controls. So only one of these is going to work. They've actually wired it so that the controls are coming off the pickups and then going to the switch, then out. And I think the problem's here, just looking at it. So we better pop this switch out and we'll suss that out. Just stick the piece over there. Switch could be a bit of a worry to pop out actually. Everything's so tight in there. We just had a wire pop off. Everything's a bit, might just unscrew the little knob on the switch, and I may find myself resoldering most of this switch by the looks of this. Yeah, it's looking like it's pretty wild. It's been in water or something. Rightio. Yeah, this is our issue. And that switch is in a bad way. Okay, well, we'll get the multimeter out again and see if we can track which wire's which. I'm thinking that this one here is probably our ground. And wow. That switch is in a super bad way. Okay. Here we have the Ibanez Musician after I've finished tidying up all of the wiring. As you can see, it's not a mare's nest anymore. The problem was with the switch, it was with the grounding, and also there was a grounding that come off on the neck pickup, and that was causing some issues. But it works pretty good now, so I'll give you a quick demo in a minute. Here's all the wire I pulled out of the darn thing that it didn't really need. The controls are pretty good, they're not scratchy at all. I've recommended that the guy get this replaced, but he just wants to leave it stock at the moment for his brother, so yeah, and the switch works fine. So I'll give you a quick demo. Okay, so let's do the demo. On the bridge pickup at the moment, the switch is up. a little bit out of tune. Anyway, so we're on the bridge pickup. Neck pickup. Sounds pretty good. The tone control and volume control were back to front on the neck pickup. We've sorted that out. That's cool. Still a little bit out of tune. Yeah. So I will recommend to him replacing this this plug because it's corroded inside and stuff, and gets a bit scratchy at times. And oh, there was one other thing with this thing that I discovered. It's got a brass nut on it, so that's pretty cool. But it does need lubing or sorting out or something, or probably just a new set of strings, because every time I do something with the thing it goes out of tune again. Anyway, I'll throw the back plate back on this, and you have a great day. I'll catch you later.